Welcome to Devasthili Vidyapit, an educational sanctuary founded by the visionary leader and our former Prime Minister of India, late Chandrasekhar. Since October 2, 1988, we have been shaping young minds with a commitment to excellence in education. Located just 8 kilometers from Rasra and 25 kilometers from Balia along the Balia-Lucknow State Highway, our 65-acre campus provides a peaceful and pollution-free environment, ideal for focused learning and personal growth. Affiliated with the Central Board of Secondary Education, Devasthili Vidyapit offers a holistic education from lower kindergarten to class 12. Managed by Acharya Narendra Deva Shikshan Sansthan, we focus on academic excellence, physical well-being, and moral values, nurturing responsible citizens of tomorrow. Our curriculum is designed to empower students with both traditional knowledge and modern skills. In the early years, children build a strong foundation in English, Hindi, Sanskrit, mathematics, science, and social science. As they progress, their learning becomes more structured, incorporating AI and information technology to develop essential digital skills. At the senior level, students choose specialized streams. The science stream focuses on biology, mathematics, physics, chemistry, and computer science. The commerce stream builds business acumen with accounting, business studies, business administration, and economics. The humanities stream fosters critical thinking through geography, political science, psychology, history, and economics. Beyond academics, students engage in creative and skill-based learning through art, craft, and handicrafts, ensuring a well-rounded education. To support academic excellence, we provide a well-stocked library with extensive digital and physical resources, advanced science labs for hands-on learning, dedicated geography and art labs, 4 modern computer labs equipping students with essential digital skills. But education at Devasthili Vidyapit goes beyond the classroom. Our students enjoy a range of extracurricular activities. Sports and physical training facilities for kabaddi, volleyball, football, cricket, hockey, and athletics. Mass PT and morning yoga classes to promoting discipline and fitness. Educational tours and picnics providing enriching learning experiences beyond school walls. NCC training available for all batches, fostering discipline and leadership skills. For students staying on campus, our hostel life is safe, comfortable, and nurturing. We provide separate accommodations for juniors and seniors, as well as boys and girls, ensuring a supportive environment. With 24/7 power backup and modern dining facilities serving nutritious meals, we ensure a home-like experience. A dedicated medical team ensures student health and well-being, while housemasters and tutors provide both emotional and academic support. Our state-of-the-art facilities make learning engaging and enjoyable. The Sekhar Auditorium serves as a hub for school events and performances. A massive transport fleet ensures safe student commutes. A gymnasium and indoor kabaddi stadium promote fitness and sports. Our school-owned dairy ensures students receive high-quality nutritious milk. At Devasthili Vidyapit, we don't just educate. We inspire, empower, and transform. Each day begins with morning prayer, instilling discipline, gratitude, and a sense of purpose in every student. Join us in shaping the future of education and unlocking limitless opportunities for your child. Admissions are now open. Take the first step toward a brighter future today.